I spent 10 years building in .NET APIs, microservices, enterprise systems, .C Sharp, Visual Studio, Azure. I knew it inside out. But something changed. Slowly, then all at once. In 2023, I made the most difficult decision of my career. I walked away from .NET and became an AI engineer. This is what happened, and what I wish I knew earlier. For a long time, I felt like I had everything figured out. My code was clean, my clients were happy, I could ship secure, scalable systems in my sleep, and honestly, Net gave me stability, structure, confidence, a career. But then the question started, can this app be smarter? Can we integrate AI into this feature? Can we make it more intelligent? And I didn't know how to answer them. I started realizing I was becoming the bottleneck, and that scared me. Then came ChatGPT, and everything changed. At first, I laughed it off. AI won't replace real developers, I said, but it wasn't about replacing, it was about enhancing. I watched junior devs finish tasks in hours that used to take my team days. I saw GitHub Copilot write boilerplate faster than I could type, and I realized I couldn't ignore this any longer. I had to evolve. So I made a plan. Completed specialized AI/ML certifications from top universities, Caltech. I started learning Python. Not because it's the best, but because it's the language of AI. I learned how to manipulate data, clean it, train simple models. I used Azure because I already knew the ecosystem. Azure ML, Azure OpenAI Studio. These tools let me build and deploy without starting from zero. Analyzed existing AI projects to understand practical implementations. Build small projects. I didn't aim for a huge AI product. I started with small things like sentiment analyzers and GPT powered help desk, also auto summarizers. Slowly, I became fluent in a new tech stack, and more importantly, a new mindset. I thought leaving .NET would mean starting from scratch. I was wrong. My experience with clean code, service oriented design, APIs, it all transferred beautifully into AI projects. I wasn't just training models, I was thinking about architecture, scalability, performance, and those skills, they're rare in the AI world. I used my .NET API knowledge to deploy a GPT backed summarizer into a legacy system. It took a weekend. That would have taken weeks before. So here's the truth: you're not starting over, you're upgrading. Today, I'm still a developer, but now I build with AI. I use Copilot daily. I deploy LLMs with Azure. I build smarter systems faster than ever. I've never had more fun, and I've never felt more future proof. If you're a .NET dev watching this, feeling like you're being left behind, you're not. But the future is moving fast, and the best time to adapt is now. Subscribe for and leave a comment. What part of your dev journey are you rethinking right now? I'd love to hear your story too.